राज्यात वन्य प्राण्यांच्या शिकारीत वाढ होतीये. रानडुक्कर, मोर, ससे इतकंच नव्हे तर कासव आणि मगरी यांचीही शिकार सर्रास होते. या जनावरांच्या मांसाला मोठ्या प्रमाणात मागणी असते आणि स्थानिक हॉटेलातूनही ते उपलब्ध असतं. या वन्यजीवांच्या शिकारीकरिता नानाविधी क्लुप्त्या योजण्यात येतात. डिचोली येथे मासे पकडण्याच्या गळ्यात मगरी पकडण्याच्या प्रकारात वाढ झालीय. अशाच प्रकारात 5 फुटाची मगर पकडण्याचा प्रयत्न प्राणीमित्रांनी हाणून पाडलाय.
This is a small crocodile which was rescued by rescue squad of Bicholim. Mr. Amrit Singh and his team had rescued this crocodile and was brought to our center at International Animal Rescue Asagaw with a complaint that probably a fishing hook which is stuck in the body cavity, the esophagus, thoracic esophagus of the crocodile. There was a long steel wire which was coming out of his mouth. And there was that connection was there, and then immediately we took some X-rays to visualize where the fish hook was, and then we found it was in the chest of the animal.